Hey friends! If you're interested in the world of IT and want to enter the field of technical support and IT infrastructure, I have an amazing course for you. The IT Infrastructure Level 3 Technical Support Crash Course is a practical training program that prepares you for technical support-related jobs.
As you can see, 5,608 students have already enrolled in this course and received their certificates. The video duration is 31 minutes. In this course, you'll learn key and practical topics such as understanding IT infrastructure and technical support principles, working with Windows and Linux operating systems, network management, security, and troubleshooting common network issues, diagnosing and fixing hardware and software problems, essential skills for solving user issues in a workplace environment and optimizing performance, and many other important tips that are highly applicable in the real world. On Udemy, this course is quite expensive, and many people might skip it because of the cost. But there's a way to get it completely free. How? It's very simple. Open your browser and go to discountedcourseninja.com.
Make sure that the website you searched for is the same as the one I mentioned here. When you are sure, enter it.
Search for the course name. IT Infrastructure Level 3. Get the 100% discount coupon and enroll in the course on Udemy without paying anything.
You succeeded.
After completing the course, you'll also receive an official Udemy certificate, which can significantly strengthen your resume. But hurry up! This coupon is valid for a limited time and might expire soon. If you find this offer useful, share it with your friends so they can also take advantage of this free opportunity. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on the latest free courses. Good luck!